When a collection specialist starts the day in CloudCollect, the home screen shows overall receivables performance on the dashboard, while the task list on the right highlights the accounts that need attention today. On the agent dashboard, collections agent Herman James can immediately see his total amount to collect, along with his performance for the month. He has already collected $11,050, far exceeding his target of $5,000 collected. Herman can review his top past due accounts in blue and quickly identify which ones deserve the most focus. In yellow, he can see his accounts with promises due this week. Below, in red, he can review customers that have broken promises to pay, which tells him where urgent follow-up is needed. Mistral Biotech stands out because with $9,800 outstanding, it has the highest outstanding balance, so it will be one of his first priorities today. Herman can click on any blue link on the dashboard to drill down to underlying data. What is useful is that he can access all of his relevant account information on a single screen. Here we are looking at the account of Mistral Biotech. He can see the full picture of what's outstanding. Mistral owes a total of $9,800. $800 is 30 days past due, and $9,000 is 120 days past due. That gives him an immediate sense of both the size and urgency of the account. He clicks one of the collection actions associated with Mistral for a $1,500 balance. On the right, he can see the activities tied to that action. At 14 days past due, a task was automatically created for a specialist to call him. Because of the size of the balance, Mistral was assigned to a special work list. An automated email reminder was also sent regarding the missed payment. Then, at 30 days past due, the account will be assigned to another worklist to escalate the outreach. This shows how CloudCollect helps combine automation with structured follow-up, so nothing falls through the cracks. Looking further ahead, at 44 days past due, another task is planned for a specialist to call him, and at 65 days past due, the account will be assigned to a specific worklist if it's still unresolved. Navigating back to the account, he has the full history of past activities, and he can see that he has a call scheduled to discuss a payment plan with Gable for today. CTI integration makes it simple to call her right away. He can click directly on Martha's phone or mobile number and reach out without leaving CloudCollect. In this case, Herman decides that he does not want to just rely on automated emails. He wants to send a more personal reminder. On the right, under Activity, he can choose from several options, including creating an event, logging a phone call, sending an email, and more. For this example, he clicks the email option. CloudCollect opens a new email with Martha's and his information already filled in, so he can start working immediately. Since he sends similar notices often, he does not need to write this from scratch. Instead, he clicks the email template button on the bottom left. From here, he selects the appropriate template. Now the full email to Martha is ready to go. The message is already prepared, consistent, and professional. All he needs to do is review it and click to send. These are just a few examples of how CloudCollect helps Biotech and Medtech collections teams stay organized, prioritize the right accounts, and take action faster. Please visit our website for more information about CloudCollect.